To reset Google Pixel 8a, the first way is to open Settings, then scroll to the very bottom and select System. Then scroll to the bottom again and select Reset Options. You can reset one of the settings here or select Erase All Data to fully wipe the phone. Now the second way is useful if your phone's touchscreen isn't working. So you press and hold power and volume up and keep these two held down for 10 seconds. At the very least, the phone must be fully off. So now when the screen goes black, the phone is off, release from both buttons. Now press and hold power and volume down and keep these two held down until we see the fast boot mode. If this didn't work for you, rewind the video and try again. So once we see fast boot, release from the buttons, and then click volume down until you see recovery mode, and then click the power button to enter recovery mode. We will then see no commands. The command is while holding power button, click release volume up. Now the touchscreen ain't working, so click volume down and up to navigate, and then click the power button over wipe data to select this option. Then click volume down and click the power button to factory reset. Then it will bring you to this screen, click reboot.